A dressmaker SWA 2000. Okay guys, a little bit of extra information on how I got my dressmaker working. Okay, I went in and I tried for everything in here, everything on the bottom, and everything in there. Okay, now I'm going to show you where my drag was at. See there? I had to wool that, trifle that really good. Okay, that got rid of my drag. Okay, now the other thing in there, it's like a washer. See this screw right here? I had it screwed in, but it wasn't making contact with that ring. That's why it worked when I moved the clutch, but it didn't work when I moved the hand wheel. Okay, as soon as I made my screw make contact with that piece in there, that washer type thing, then my hand wheel and my clutch started working. And if you watch it, it doesn't matter how I move it now, movement in there. So clutch works it and your hand wheel doesn't. Line this screw up with the washer underneath it and keep playing with it until both parts move when you move the hand wheel. Okay, I bought this machine. The biggest thing wrong with it was the needle was froze up. That when you push on the foot pedal, this would turn, nothing else would. Like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.